Hey everybody, welcome back. You don't see me, but I'm right here. This is a hands video. I took off my nails a week ago because it's time to put a fresh pair on. And this is, I don't know how they look. I just filed them. So, I mean, they don't look too bad. I mean, the file makes them look awful, but they're not too bad. So when you haven't worn them for a while, you need to go in and file the base so you get a good adhesion to the glue. And you got to push your cuticles back. And I have a tool for it, but I don't know where it is. Let me see. I have this one. And I have another one, but I don't know where it is. But I can use that one. Use this one. You just kind of push it back. And by the way, this is a nail video. We are going to put on our new nails for, I try to keep them on for the month. I did September's and I had them, a couple fall off, but I glued them back on. And I kind of kept them for the most part of September. So that's what I'm going to try to do with these ones. But if I don't make it the full month, that's fine. But I'm going to try. So you just push your cuticles back and clip them if you need to. I got my little paper towel here for the glue. Now this is the glue I use. I don't use the glue that comes with it. I use this Mega glue, and I have a little bit left in this one. But yeah, so it's by Kiss, and it's Mega Hold, and I get the double packs. So we'll put that one up there. We'll try to use, there's probably enough for one. Anyway, my little haul here, I ended up getting these ones, these ones, these ones, and these ones. So depending on what mood I am in, I will put a new pair on. Now, I could kind of mix and match these. These are my other ones I got. Now, I do have these ones, but these already have like the gold in it. So if these come off or whatever, I could, for the rest of the month, I could do this. Add those, but I'm thinking of switching, and they're all long length, like doing a black. I was going to do this marble, but I kind of like this marble and this orange, so I'm probably going to mix and match these, and so I'll have extras of other ones, and these are Kiss Voguish Fantasy. And these are called tie-dyed. But I thought it'd be fun to have for October. I was just going to put these ones on, but I thought I wanted to add some black. So we are going to take these out. And they come in a, like, I just dump them all in. I get rid of this, the box, this thing. Get rid of that. So they're all on here. And I keep the cover so I can do that. And it says 7-day wear. Now, you can make these last a lot longer than 7 days. And I got a whole bunch of glues over here. And these come with the press-ons. I don't use those. I save those for Ariel. And same thing, let's keep the cover, throw this away. Okay, so now I can decide what I want on what finger. So I'm thinking probably black. I could do opposite of each one, like do black on the thumbs, and then I don't know, let's lay them out, see how they look, because you can always change it. Gotta find the bigger thumb. What number is it? That's 2. I don't want that one. We want the big one, which is usually 0. Okay, I lay them out by row. So I start with the thumb for each hand, and then I go first finger, middle finger, down the line. So I think these are pretty. They kind of like have the ombre kind of look to them. And I put that one on the pinky. What size is it? A number 5. A number 5. Now, usually I always use 7 on this finger, but sometimes I don't like, the 7 is the glitter one. So maybe I should do the glitter one. Maybe I'll do the glitter one. Okay, let's find the other one. Right there, 7. And then I think the tie-dyed one, they only come in certain sizes. So let's see what size they come in. And it's probably going to be, let's see what size they come in. The biggest one is a 5. See, and I think that might be, well, I could use it on that one. It looks like the middle finger is going to be orange. Crud. And of course I dump them on the floor, which I gotta do a severe clean of my vanity area because it's nasty. Number 2. That's a number 1. We need a number 2. Number 2. Okay. Now we've got this finger and this finger left. And I really want to use the tie-dyed ones. So maybe I'll put these glitters back and use the bigger glitters. What size are these? Oh wow, you can't see. All right. But they do have a bigger. Okay. Well, they're a little bit smaller than what I usually use, but I want to use the tie-dyed ones. And they do have 7s. Okay, we'll use those. And so we got one more, which we'll probably do a black. So we're only using one of the orange ones. So we'll probably do, what size is that? And we could do 2 orange. They're kind of flimsy. They're not like the normal ones I get. So, what is that? A 3. Okay. Find another 3. That's a 2. That's a bigger one. It's going to be the last one I pick up. Yep. Okay, so what do you think? Thumbs black, gold on this finger. Wish there was a bigger size. Maybe I have one in my used packet. I have a drawer full of used nails that I just save them you know, because I may need something, you know, I may need something. I don't have any gold ones. And that one. Let's see. Those are like silverish. They're not the same. These ones have a bigger one in them. Well, looks like we'll just go with that. I don't have another gold. Okay, so we'll just use that. And I've already did this. Let me move these out of the way now. I just have a file. You just kind of buff it a little bit. Okay. Shake this up. I start with the pinkies and go down. So we will do this one first. These are going to be pretty. So you hold it on for a minute. See? Just hold it on for a minute. Okay, I will be back as soon as I get these on. Okay, here we go. There we go. You see, that's how they look. Oops. Try to lift this up a little. There we go. Pretty, huh? They came out good. We'll see how long they stay on. And I've got extras on all sides, so if they fall off and I don't have another big black one, I can switch it and make it orange. So here we go. Well, I appreciate you watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I did get glue on me. That comes with it. So, yeah. So we'll see how long these stay on. Anyway, thanks for watching. We will see you again soon. Bye now.